Did you know that AAA reports poor visibility is a contributing factor in over 21% of weather-related crashes in the US? And most of those happen because drivers don't see clearly through their windshield. Fogging, streaking, glare, and micro-residue buildup quietly reduce your visibility long before you realize it. That's why this simple trick has shocked drivers for decades. Today, I'm going to show you what happens when you wipe your car windshield with shaving cream and why mechanics, detailers, and even driving instructors swear by it. Stick around because the result is instant, dramatic, and costs less than $1. Section 1. What happens when you apply shaving cream to your windshield? When you spread shaving cream into a thin layer and wipe clean, it leaves behind an invisible barrier that fills microscopic pores and imperfections in the glass. These tiny pores are where moisture, dirt, oils, and fog particles cling. By filling them in, shaving cream prevents condensation from forming in the first place. The moment you wipe it off, your windshield becomes noticeably clearer, smoother, and more resistant to fogging, especially in cold mornings or rainy weather. Now here's the part that surprises most people. Shaving cream is not just stopping fog, it also reduces glare from oncoming headlights at night. Those annoying halos and starbursts you see during night driving are often caused by residue left behind by cheap glass cleaners, interior plastics off-gassing, or even your own breath over time. Shaving cream breaks down these oily films, leaving the glass optically cleaner. Many drivers report night visibility improving instantly, especially during rain or mist. Section 2. How to clean windshield using shaving cream. First, make sure the windshield is cool and dry. Use plain white shaving cream, not gel and not menthol. Apply a small amount to a microfiber towel and rub it evenly across the inside of the windshield using circular motions. Let it sit for about 30 seconds, then wipe it off completely with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. When done correctly, the glass should feel slick and crystal clear. One reason this trick works so well is because shaving cream contains surfactants similar to those used in commercial anti-fog products. The difference is cost. A dedicated anti-fog windshield treatment can cost $10 to $20, while a can of shaving cream costs a couple of dollars and lasts for dozens of applications. That's why many professional detailers quietly use this method during interior cleanups, especially in winter months. Section 3. Mistakes to avoid. However, there are mistakes you must avoid. Never use shaving cream on tinted windows unless the tint is factory installed inside the glass. Aftermarket tint film can be damaged if rubbed aggressively. They leave streaks and can cause smearing when humidity rises. And never apply this trick on the outside of the windshield expecting rain-repellent results. This method is specifically for interior fog prevention and clarity. To wrap it up, wiping your windshield with shaving cream doesn't just clean it, it transforms it. You get reduced fogging, clearer night vision, less glare, and a smoother glass surface, all for almost no money. It is one of those old-school tricks that sounds ridiculous until you try it once, and then you never stop using it. Subscribe to the channel to fuel up the confidence and hit that like button if you want more real-world car tips that actually work.